guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm just going to be ordering 13 satin robes for a bridal party. Her colors are red, black, and that champagne color that you see right here at the top. This video is old, guys, so if you see my baby bump in it, I'm not pregnant again, I promise. This was just a video that I recorded sometime last year, and honestly I thought I uploaded it but never did, so my apologies. But it's going to be left chest. I'm going to be using my 5x5 mighty hoop to get all of these done, of course, and I'm also using my Ricoma EM1010. So I'm going to, of course, give you guys some background music and we're going to get to it. I'm not going to talk this whole video, guys. Yeah. Sorry, that was a baby. Unless you guys have questions, of course, leave them down below for me. I am using cutaway stabilizer, and I did cut it hot dog style, and then I folded it hamburger style. So, well, I just used like one sheet, and then I folded it hamburger style. So if anyone has any questions on that, just let me know. She picked all her thread color combos, so I didn't do any of that. So let's move this to the machine and let's get it going. I always wipe off my machine because you're supposed to oil your machine every consecutive 4 hours of using. And I think this day, like, I had been working on my machine a lot, so I wanted to make sure that I kept it oiled. So that's what you see me wiping off on the back by the thread cutter. And again, I always trace my designs, guys, multiple times on these Ricoma EM1010s because your machine is not covered if your needle hits that mighty hoop. It's not covered. So please be mindful of that. Be careful of that. And then we're just going to get it going. Always make sure that you check and make sure that you don't have your satin or your material under your needle plate because it will get embroidered on. So yes, that is a double check, make sure. But like I said, guys, I want to give y'all some music. I'm not going to talk this whole time. I'm not going to do y'all like that. So if you have any questions or comments, just, leave them down below in the comment section. And y'all know I will get back to y'all. All right, bye. Okay, guys, so here, once I take each one off the machine, I use my list that I have made from my customer to make sure that I'm doing the correct initials, and I go ahead and I highlight it green. That way I know that it is done. And then of course I just unhoop this one. I do make sure that the stabilizer and everything is good, and then I go ahead and cut my circle. Be careful, guys, that you do not cut your material because that won't be good if you cut it. I did that one time and I had to order a whole new robe. So yeah, don't be like me, be better than me. So I just try to place my fingers around the design just to make sure. I snip off any excess thread, of course, like at the bottom, to make sure. And then that is how it looks. Of course, I'm going to fold it up nicely and put it back in the packaging. That way nothing happens to these robes because, guys, I will have a heart attack if something happens to these robes. So I always make sure to go back and put them in a plastic bag. And then, of course, as stated previously, I marked them off the list. Oh, I didn't like how I folded that. I was like, why did I take the back out like that, girl? You want to talk on it too, mamas? So yeah, I make sure that I have it folded nicely in the bag, guys, because presentation is everything, like once they see the finished product. So yeah, make sure you put it back in your baggie nice. I put everything that came with that robe back in there. Her tie, I didn't put that cardboard back in there because honestly it didn't serve a purpose. So I just made sure. I also went back there and put business cards in these, and you'll see that later on. So yeah, let's go. All right, guys, that's the end of this video. Make sure you stay grateful, stay thankful, stay blessed, and y'all have a good one. Bye.